Hey, so this is going to be a super quick video for a user called PapaJoe on the public Squarespace forum. You have on this Zach Glassman Squarespace site, you have for this Who I Work With section, you wanted to set it up like this. Sent me the files, great. So really easy. Just find the custom CSS panel on your site, find the section. So this is the section for me. I'm pretty sure you're familiar with CSS because I've seen you make a bunch of forum requests. So I'm going to assume you know what I'm doing here by just grabbing the block IDs, listing them, and then opening some curly brackets. I guess I should make mine look a little bit more like yours. So I'll do overflow hidden, border radius. Let's just do, 1 rem, and I'm going to make that important because I think it's set natively in line. And let's just do a border of 1 pixel solid gray with an E maybe. And then start custom code. So now they look a little bit more like yours. Basically what you want to do here, you've got your H4 within it there. I'm going to target the sqs-html-content element within, and I'm going to set it to display flex. I'm going to say gap is going to be, let's just say 2 rem. And this is nested, by the way, for all of these blocks for simplicity. Next, I'm going to just target the H4, and I'm just going to give it a flex of 1 for simplicity. And then I'm going to go back to this sqs-html-content element. I'm going to create a pseudo element there, and we're going to do it as a before. And we're going to give it no content, just so it renders. We're going to say display block. These sizes you're going to have to decide yourself, but I'm going to just give it a width of 2 rem and a height of 2 rem. I'm going to give it a background size of contain. Let's go with cover for the minute, and background position of center. And we're basically set up. What I'll quickly really do is give it an outline of 1 pixel solid red. And you can see that's where it would be appearing. I'm also actually, just because I remember from this, you've decided to center them vertically. So let's just go back here and we'll just do align items center. Nice. Cool. Next step. Going to grab those selectors again, and we're going to do set backgrounds. And this is outside that initial set of selectors. Just get rid of these commas really quickly, and we're going to give each one of them their .sqs-html-content before element, and open some curly brackets. Oops, sorry, page down for a second. So let's get this and do it for all of them. Open up those brackets a little bit more. In custom files here, you'll see I've already uploaded your 3 images. So actually, let's just put them in. And this is going to give me an error, but that's absolutely fine. So we have the leadership one. Then you have the item queue one. And then you have the personal. I've just renamed them for my own sanity there. So from here it's really easy. You just do background image URL, open some brackets, and I could have just selected them like this, to be honest, but there we go. Put them in, or you can copy and paste it. Let's get rid of these. Forgot that we could do that. I can copy this property here, paste it for all of them. You'll see it's loading. And now all I need to do is just switch these for the corresponding element. There you go. So right now, the issue you might be having is, obviously my styling is completely different to yours, but you might find that this isn't what this isn't ideal with this kind of excess spacing and stuff like that. You might want to do a little bit of tweaking there. You might even find that you don't need the gap, but personally I think that that's too close. But Yeah. The only thing you're going to have to think about, I know you didn't include anything for mobile, but obviously just check that it fits how you want it on mobile. Hope this was helpful. As I say, it's pretty easy. I'll put the CSS in the video description minus this initial stuff here, and you can set your own block IDs and stuff. But there you go. Hope it's helpful.